how to add a thumbnail to your YouTube video using an iPhone, Android, or tablet in just a few simple steps. It really doesn't matter what kind of mobile device you have, because you can very easily add or change custom video thumbnails on YouTube at any time. Before we get started, you just need to make sure that you download the free YouTube Studio app onto your device. And once it's installed, open up the app and make sure you're logged into your account. Then on the homepage, select content down at the bottom of the screen to open up your list of videos. And then find the video that you want to add or change the thumbnail for. On this next page, click that pencil at the top of the screen, and then you'll see a small picture icon in the top left, and selecting that will open up the options to edit your thumbnail. As you can see, YouTube has automatically generated a few thumbnail options from random parts of the video, but we want to select the option that says custom thumbnail. This will then open up your camera roll, so just find the image that you want to use as your thumbnail. I already created my thumbnail earlier, so I'm just going to select it, and then hit select in the top right, and then hit save. And that is how to upload a custom thumbnail to YouTube on any mobile device. It's as simple as that. If you found this video useful, make sure you leave it a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.